खंयचीच फटींग केस वा कसलोय फट आरोप आपणाक आपल्या कर्तव्यापासून आपल्या कामापासून भडकावपाक शकना. कोणे फटीची प्रसिद्धी घेवपाक आपलें नांव पिड्ड्यार केलें म्हूण कोण आपल्या गोवा फॉरवर्ड फुडें व्हरपा पासून आडावपाक शकना अशें वक्तव्य TCP मंत्र्यान केलां. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पर्वरीच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
Truth eventually always prevails, and this type of whatever this character assassination or trying to fix me will not deter me from taking Goa forward. I am working here in the government with a certain timeline, with certain clear ideology, and the progress and development that is being ushered in, there are hurdles being sought to be brought in. Like we inaugurated the Fatehpur police station. Certain sections of the media were saying that why is it required? And इतले बेगीन ते कशें जालें काय म्हणून. Inaugurate जाता थंय पयले दिसा केसूच म्हणजेर. So what was this? He was trying to trivialize an achievement. Our achievement, he wanted to trivialize and wanted to sensationalize this by going to the courts asking for framing of an FIR. Now the courts have given him an answer. What is the answer? That there is no scope to sensationalize. There is no scope to trivialize somebody's achievement. So we are on our job, and we are on a track, and we are on a fast track, and which is quite forward. So nothing like this is going to deter me. That is what I have got said in my in the tweet, and that is what I mean. See, एक कोण activist does not become a paragon of virtue. And ताका जायरे भशेन जाल्यार हें चलना तशें. The courts have given him a befitting answer. So I think it should rest at that, and he should learn a lesson from this. That he has to not just try to waste the time of the government and the people and the courts, trying to just sensationalize and trying to bring hurdles in path of something good that is happening for Goa. Police station was required for the people of Fatehpur. It is a need of the hour. ते पुलीस स्टेशनाचेरूच मनी हें करपा खातीर मंत्र्याचेर केस घाला. ही जी वृत्ती एक आपली रेजिंग इट्स अगली हेड. I think the courts have shown him his place.